In this video, you'll learn how to set up your model and begin your first chat. To send your first message, you will need to connect with your AI models via its API key. To get started, select the Models option in the sidebar and choose your provider. In this example, we will go with OpenAI. Next, open the configuration settings by clicking the gear icon. Here you will see a tooltip that guides you through the process for getting API key for the AI provider. If you don't have an API key yet, click the Sign Up link on the OpenAI platform to create your account. Now, confirm your organization and access your profile settings. You'll need to top up your API credits first so you can start using the model through the provider's API. To create an API key, select the API Keys option and create a new secret key. Enter any necessary details, choose the appropriate project, apply restrictions, if any, and click the Create Secret Key button to generate your new key. Once your secret key is available, copy it and return to the API key field to enter the new key. This links your account to the selected model provider. Now enable the Model Your Preferred to chat with by toggling it on. Click to the model to view the model details, such as its context length, pricing, supported features, and more. To begin, click New Chat, select your preferred GPT model from the dropdown, and make sure you're ready to start chatting with the model. Finally, type your message into the text input field and send it to start your first chat. You're now ready to chat. Great job on getting set up your first AI model.